Hi guys, it's Geeky Beach here, and I wanted to share with you a little bit of my cleaning process for mystery objects like this one. You can tell from the color that this is not an ordinary US penny that's been crusted on the beach. So I'm putting it in some distilled white vinegar, which is at 5% acidity, and I use some wooden chopsticks like these to loosely and gently remove the sand after it's been soaking in that vinegar for a while. For this item, it's really crusty, so it takes about 5 or 10 minutes just to get started with some of that loose sand. But at this point, you start to see a little bit of that metal shining through, and that makes it a little easier to determine what this is. Could it be a pendant? Is it some kind of coin? This will really start to help determine what. And here we see the start of some design showing up there. And so some of you may know exactly what this is just by looking at that design. For others, it's still a little too hard to tell. So I take it a little further. You can see the vinegar working and creating those bubbles for maybe 20 or 30 minutes at this point. And I'm continuing to very gently remove some of that easy to remove sand. Now you can start to see the lettering and number start to appear. We kind of have an orientation, and it's enough that I think we can say this is a coin. So at this point, I've determined what it is, and I'm excited to reveal as much of it as I can to make it clear to others what this is. Now, after about 30 or 40 minutes in the vinegar, it's really easy to get off this loose sand, and we really start to make some progress here on the front, or the top part of the coin, and we start to see a 5, maybe 5-0, and some lettering underneath, and you can really see that the backside is just really stuck on there. There are shells, there is a lot of corrosion, and so at this point I've decided I'm going to keep this coin as close to as is as I can, but just removing enough of that sand on the front to make it clear what kind of coin we have. So you can tell we've revealed a 5 and a 0, and this is a Russian 50 kopeyek coin. It's really fun to find coins from other countries here in the United States, so that's why when I find a mystery object like this, it's really fun to take some time to clean it, just enough sometimes to determine exactly what I found and to see what I can find from other countries. And it's a really beautiful coin. I like the way it looks here as is, with the crust still intact, and that's how I'll keep it in my collection for now. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more.